Hello cuties, I hope you all are fine and doing well at your homes. Welcome to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Feather Cap. Today we will study Chapter 3 Alarm Clock from Art and Activity Skill Book. All of you know what is alarm clock. What is alarm clock? When Mama set the alarm at night for morning for get up. अब आप सोते रहते हो कौन उठाता है आपको? मम्मा अलार्म सेट करती है किसमें? क्लॉक में. दैट मीन्स दिस इज अलार्म क्लॉक. Let's come to our worksheet. What is this? This is alarm clock. See the smiling clock. It helps us to complete your work. Clock helps us to complete your work on time. Color it neatly as shown. First of all, we will do blue color. Now, take out your crayons color and start coloring in smiling clock. Take out your blue color and start coloring with me. Zigzag. Neatly and slowly. Now, this is completed. Again, blue color, wear this. Start doing blue color again. And smiling clock. I hope you all are enjoying. Again, tell me which color is this? This is blue color. Now, take out your yellow color. And start doing neatly and slowly. Start doing with me. All of you are doing. Complete it fast. Now, take out your orange color. Take out your orange color and start doing orange color. Slowly and neatly. Complete it fast. Complete it. Blue color, yellow color, orange color. Now take out your pink color. Take out your pink color. Actually, ma'am don't have pink color. That's why I'm doing purple color, but you all do pink color, okay? I take purple color, but you all will take pink color, okay? Because ma'am don't have pink color, that's why. Ma'am don't have pink color, na? That's why I'm doing purple color. Colored slowly and neatly. Now, all of you completed fast. All of you completed fast. Our smiling clock is ready. Again, we will revise the colors blue, yellow, orange and pink. Ma'am don't have pink color. That's why I am take purple color. Okay? I hope you enjoy coloring. Now, happy learning. See you soon. Bye-bye.